Squash, born Andre Whittaker, is a prominent figure in the dancehall scene and is known for his deep lyrical content and association with the 6ix9ine movement, a collective of dancehall artists hailing from Montego Bay, Jamaica. His rise to fame has been driven by his gritty portrayal of life in inner-city Jamaica, connecting him with fans through themes of survival, hardship, and ambition. Squash's distinctive voice, combined with his ability to craft relatable street anthems, has made him a standout in the current wave of dancehall artists. His breakthrough came in the mid-2010s when he released tracks such as 6ix9ine Boss and Lavish Lifestyle, which resonated with a younger audience, particularly those from the streets. These songs helped establish him as a leading voice in the 6ix9ine movement, alongside other key figures like Chronic Law and Daddy1. Squash's music often reflects the harsh realities of life in Montego Bay, a city known for its beauty, but also its crime challenges. He doesn't shy away from addressing the struggles faced by many youths in marginalized communities, making his music both personal and socially conscious. In 2018, Squash's career took a hit when he was detained under Jamaica's state of emergency measures, which affected his ability to release music and perform. However, after his release in 2019, he quickly regained momentum. His collaboration with Vybz Kartel on the track Beat Dem Bad showcased his versatility and reinforced his place in dancehall's upper echelons. One of Squash's most significant hits in 2024 is All Now, which has earned over 1 million views on YouTube. The song continues to dominate the Jamaican music charts and solidifies Squash's place as one of the top-tier dancehall artists of his generation. YVRDHYP. All Now has garnered attention for its catchy rhythm and introspective lyrics, allowing Squash to maintain his relevance in a highly competitive industry. His ability to stay at the forefront of a scene is a testament to his evolving sound and strong connection with his audience. Squash's journey is one of resilience. Despite legal troubles and personal challenges, he has managed to carve out a niche for himself within the dancehall genre. His storytelling ability, paired with a distinct voice and energetic performances, has made him a household name not only in Jamaica, but also among dancehall fans globally. Squash continues to represent the 6ix9ine movement, highlighting the realities of life while pushing the boundaries of his musical career.